Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll show you how to add alt text to your Instagram post, which helps improve accessibility for people using screen readers. First, open your Instagram app and tap on the plus button to create a new post. Select the photo or video you want to upload from your gallery, then tap on Next. On the caption screen, you won't see the alt text option directly. So now tap on Advanced Settings or More Options at the bottom of the screen. Scroll down until you find the right alt text option and tap on it. Now you'll see a text box where you can type your alt text. This is a description of your image that will be read by screen readers for visually impaired users. Once you've written the alt text, tap Done or the check mark to save it. Finally, go back and tap on Share to publish your post. That's it. Your Instagram post now includes alt text to make it more accessible. Please like this video, subscribe to Tech Flyer, and press the bell icon for new videos. Thanks for watching.